I'm showing you how to make a super easy chocolate mousse layered dessert. I used a chocolate cake and this delicious chocolate mousse recipe. You can make it look fancy by putting it in a martini glass like this and serve it by adding a strawberry on top, or you can even pack them in a mason jar like this and take it with you on a picnic. Maybe pack some charcuterie items and put this in there. It's a really easy way to take it with you to go, and it's a delicious dessert. For the recipe, I actually made a chocolate cake from scratch, but you can use a chocolate cake mix or a brownie mix, or even buy the pre-made brownies at the store and cut them up. I will show you the recipe that I used for the chocolate mousse. It's so creamy and light and fluffy and delicious. So here's how I made the chocolate mousse.
In a saucepan, bring heavy cream to a simmer and then pour that over the semi-sweet chocolate chips. Let it sit for a while and then stir. In a mixer, add the heavy cream, then beat until it reaches soft peaks or ribbons. Pour the cream into the chocolate. Then you want to use a rubber spatula to gently fold in the cream with the chocolate. You want to make sure that you do this carefully to keep the cream light and airy and fluffy. I was at Trader Joe's and I found these Lacey's cookies. They are dark chocolate and almond, and I thought they would add a nice crunch to the dessert. So I brought them and I cut them up into small pieces. I'll put the recipe for the cake in the description, but after I baked the cake, I let it cool and I cut them up into small pieces. Start by adding the cake pieces to the martini glass or the mason jars. Add the cookie pieces on top of the cake layer. Next, you're going to add the chocolate mousse on top of the cookie pieces. Next, you're going to repeat the layers and add the cake and cookie pieces again. Now you're going to top it with the remaining chocolate mousse and the pieces of the crunchy cookie.
Look at the crunchy stuff. That is the Trader Joe's Lacey's dark chocolate almond cookie that I cut up, and it's right on top of the chocolate mousse and the chocolate cake. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos on our channel, and if you like this video, please click like and subscribe.